Hello and welcome to my video. So what is this video going to be about? Well, first of all, we're going to be looking at if our Windows system is a 64-bit system or 32-bit system. And according to this information, we're going to download the correct JDK. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the video. Cheers! Well, hello guys and welcome to my tutorial on how to download the JDK 12 for a 64-bit system and a 32-bit system. So first you're gonna go down here to this Windows icon, right click, go to settings, then here type system, go to system infos, and then look if your system type is a 64-bit system or 32-bit system. Keep this info in your mind. Then head over to java.sun.com. Then head here over to Java SE, which stands for Java Standard Edition. And if you have a 64-bit system, then go here, click accept license and download this exe file here. Now if you have a 32-bit system, go back, go to Java 8, click download, click accept license and download this 86 exe file. So download this. You have to if you want to download this Java 8, you have to create an account or log in. So we'll be back when I finish download the JDK 12 for 64-bit, or you download the JDK 8 for 32-bit. So we're back. If you download the JDK 12, you will see this kind of file. If you downloaded the JDK 8, you will see another file. Just click on it, hit OK, and then just run through the simple progress, and please remind this file where you saved it to, because we will need it later when we download the IDE. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment this video. It would mean a lot to me and it would help the channel. But in that meaning, until next video, bye bye.